Hello and welcome to your Friday afternoon weather. We're going to go pretty quickly here through some of the lesser important things. So I'm just going to point out to you to tell your friends to follow me on Twitter at CNY Jeff Matthews and spread the word about this site. You can talk about it on Facebook as well. I would appreciate that. Temp trend, average high is 62. We'll be a little below that for the next several days. Then for Monday and Tuesday, a little above. And then another shelf coming Wednesday and Thursday of next week, where another significant cold snap will be coming our way. Meanwhile, Friday afternoon, kind of like Thursday afternoon, so a ditto day in the forecast. Joaquin, will it or won't it? The timetable is being pushed back now. If it were to affect us dramatically itself, it would be late Sunday and on into Monday. And changes to weathertainment, specifically in the short term, coming with a pollen allergy forecast was, and now you can find something relevant for your Friday nights and for your weekends as well. I'll let you figure it out for yourself. Joaquin, Bahamas, right now. High pressure area to its northeast, high pressure area up in Canada. Those two areas are not directions it's going to want to go. They're kind of locked in. They're not really moving right now. As is the stationary front. The cold front that went through a couple days ago, still locked in along the coast, kept us with the mainly cloudy sky yesterday where I went rogue, and I'm going rogue again today. So that front is really not moving. It hasn't moved in several days for the most part. So, options are limited for this storm as to where it can go. Computer models, most of them had it coming into the southeast coast a few days ago. Now most of them keep it to the east of the coast and out to sea. Okay, that's what the computer models say. But what do I say? I'm the professional. I'm supposed to be the one that makes the call, okay? So, this is from 3 days ago. Here's the heavy rain moving up into our direction that brought us the heavy rain we had. There's the storm departing, moving through New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. The tail edge of the cloud cover was why I was concerned that the front wouldn't clear through and we stay mostly cloudy for yesterday and for today, and that's indeed the case. Now it's become a hurricane. It's not moving very fast in terms of what direction it's moving in, because here's the latest images, and you can see it's still in about the same place. Okay? So we're waiting for a kicker. You can see this action in the cloud cover and the water vapor imagery that's going on at present. So that's going to kick it away from the Bahamas. But it can't go into this high pressure area, because that's moving in this direction. So it's going to wind up getting funneled in between somewhere near this frontal boundary. Sunday night into Monday. It could be as close as Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware as it moves up the coast, or on this edge of the cloud cover further out to sea and having very little effect on us. I think it's going to be somewhere in the middle, and it may wind up getting some of its rain wrapped into that frontal boundary. So I do expect the front itself, which, don't get confused here. Just because you see rain coming in later Saturday, Sunday, Monday, doesn't mean it's Joaquin. The front itself is going to back up and bring some light rain to our area later Saturday, Sunday, and maybe even into Monday. But it would be Sunday night into Monday that the rain would be enhanced by that hurricane as it finally makes a move in a particular direction. So for my friend Chris and Clinton, if you're thinking of heading to Long Island this weekend and you're concerned, I would go, because you're just going to run into the light rain from the front Friday, Saturday, Sunday as you go south. And it's really worth the risk if you want to go to try to come back Sunday night and Monday. Meanwhile, for the rest of you can see on the almanac, I was very, very close on the forecast. I said 60-45 for yesterday. It was 61-45. What more could you ask for? Well, you could ask for the forecast, and I'll have it in just a minute.
Welcome to Intermission. Intermission.
Your Friday afternoon forecast, mostly cloudy. A little brighter than yesterday, if you had to parse words here, but still mostly cloudy with a cool north wind and a high of 58. Patchy clouds tonight, we'll say mostly cloudy. Cool! Low in the upper 30s. And then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Light rain sets in the later afternoon hours, maybe late morning for Oneonta and Otsego County, Richfield Springs. But then Utica, Rome by early to mid-afternoon, and then Forestport and Hurricane and Saranac Lake by evening, late in the day evening. High on Saturday of 45. This is unrelated to any hurricane effects. There'll be some light rain overnight into Sunday, and then there's still going to be the chance for light rain Sunday night, Monday, but it could be enhanced by what's left of the hurricane. I'll give you a final call in 24 hours on this situation. An unrelated front will bring us some rain Tuesday night. That's a check of your forecast. Have a great day.